Hi everybody, today we're going to be learning about ecological pyramids. So our learning intention is to understand how energy is transferred from one level to another. Okay, and your success criteria will to be able to answer questions about how energy is transferred in an ecosystem through doing this worksheet. Okay, first thing that we're going to look at is going to imagine we've got 100 plants. Actually, let's make it 1,000 plants, then we won't have to deal with decimals. Okay, I'm standing in front of the word. 1,000 plants. Imagine this is 1,000 plants. They get eaten by a rabbit. Now, when the energy is transferred from the plants to the rabbit, for it to be sustainable, only 10% of the energy is transferred. So I want you to have a think for a moment. What's 10% or 1/10 of 1,000? Let's draw a 10 on here. Have you got it? 1/10 of 1,000, it's 100. A 100 rabbit. Where has the other energy gone? It's not disappeared, because energy doesn't disappear. It's transferred from one sort to another. But it doesn't just go from the grass to the rabbit. Some is lost in heat, some is lost in the movement of the rabbit. So only 10% of the energy is transferred from the plant to the rabbit. Okay, we're going to get the rabbit eaten by fox. Once again, 10% of the energy from the fox comes from the rabbit. What is 10% of 100? Well, that's the same as 0.1 times 100, or 10% means 10 out of 100 anyway. If you got 10% on a test, you just got 10 out of 100. So let's have 10 foxes. I really need another colour. Okay, what's going to eat the fox? What could eat a fox? A hawk. Little fox, big hawk. 10% of 10. 1/10 of 10. Have you got it? It's 1. So we need 1,000 plants to support 100 rabbits, to support 10 foxes, and 1 hawk. So we need a lot of plants to support just 1 hawk. And that's why when you look out in the environment, these things that are high up in the food chain, there's not a lot of them. I want you to have a go with looking at the one on the worksheet and try to make one yourself now in your book, because I want you to be writing down as you're watching, and I want you to have a go at making one for a zebra and a lion. And what could eat the lion? That's your choice. Have a go. Thanks, everyone. Bye.